Welcome to Vibrant Varsha. Today's video is based on Yoga Nidra. Now what is Yoga Nidra? Nidra means sleep, and this is Yoga sleep. Means what? Here exactly you need not to sleep, but you should aware. You should aware and you should focus with your breath. Now Yoga Nidra generally performs after session or whenever you wanted to relax, whenever you wanted to relax your each and every body part. At that time, you should do Yoga Nidra. When, for example, if you have back pain, so when I will say relax your back, at that time you should focus on that body part. So when I give the instruction, relax your toe, relax your ankle, so you focus on that body part. And when you focus on that body part, you will relax that body part. Yoga Nidra is a very essential tool actually in yoga. What I can say about the Yoga Nidra, it's very important in yoga. Because yoga, it's not about only the poses. Yoga, it's again relaxation, mental relaxation. And Yoga Nidra, it is basically for the mental relaxation. You can relax your entire body, you can relax your mind, and you can focus, you can concentrate. And that's why the Yoga Nidra, it is always done after the session, or else you can do every day while sleeping. This way you can relax your body as well as mind. So let's start how to perform Yoga Nidra. Before Yoga Nidra, you are supposed to do the stretches. Now sleep in short. Hands apart, feet apart, and close your eyes and follow the instructions and repeat after me. Now, right leg just up, this much only. Stretch, relax. Left leg up, stretch, relax. Both the legs up, stretch, relax. Hips up, stretch, relax. Chest up, stretch, relax. Put the hands up, stretch, relax. Now, neck, side to side. Turn your head side to side, right, center, left, center. One more time. Right, center, left, center. Then follow the instruction and repeat after me. I'm relaxing my toes. My toes are relaxed. I'm relaxing my ankle. My ankles are relaxed. I'm relaxing my calf. My calves are relaxed. I'm relaxing my knees. My knees are relaxed. I'm relaxing my thighs. My thighs are relaxed. I'm relaxing my hip. My hip is relaxed. I'm relaxing my stomach. My stomach is relaxed. I'm relaxing my chest. My chest is relaxed. I'm relaxing my heart. My heart is relaxed. I'm relaxing my shoulders. My shoulders are relaxed. I'm relaxing my arms. My arms are relaxed. I'm relaxing my palms. My palms are relaxed. I'm relaxing my knee. My knee is relaxed. I'm relaxing my toe. My toe is relaxed. I'm relaxing my face. My face is relaxed. I'm relaxing my eyes. My eyes are relaxed. I'm relaxing my brain. My brain is relaxed. I'm relaxing my head. My head is relaxed. I'm relaxing my back. My back is relaxed. I'm relaxing my low back. My low back is relaxed. Relax. Relax. Don't sleep. Be with your breath. Take normal breath. Relax. Let the entire body get relaxed. Each and every body part is relaxed. Your mind is relaxed. Stay calm, focus, and peaceful. You can sleep like this only, or after the session, after the Yoga Nidra session, when you get up, just follow my instructions, feet together, stretch your thigh. Behind your head, stretch. Sit in Sukhasana. Then rub your hands 3 times. Rub your hands. Keep on your knees. One more time. Rub your hands. Keep on your forehead. One more time. Rub your hands. Keep on your face. And relax. So, Yoga Nidra you can perform at any time in a day. How many times? There is no limit. You can perform whenever you want. While sleeping also you can do Yoga Nidra, or after the yoga session also you can do the Yoga Nidra. So I hope you like this video. Please come. Thank you.